this Sasquatch in the woods. Let's see him move here. Just a moment. Here we go. He's tree peeking. Wow, look at them eyes. Looks like there might be two of them there. Peeking around the tree. Wow, look at them eyes blinking. Wow. So the Sasquatch is back there in the brush, but he's still using the tree up in the distance as cover. Look at that. And look at him smiling right there. And there quite possibly there's two of them there, but let's see if we get some movement. Watch this. See him blink. And you see the coloration in the camera. They're trying to direct light back at the camera right there. That's what he's doing. He's trying to interfere with my camera. You can see his eye movement, and then you see how the camera gets light, then dark. It's the beam that it's ricocheting back out of its eyes. Unbelievable, man. I mean, that's some borderline paranormal type stuff right there that they're trying to do. Trying to manipulate my camera. Because their eyes have they have a nocturnal shade lens that comes across their eye. Look at this eyeball right here. And what they do is they use that in conjunction with their eye, and they'll reflect that light back in there off the rods in their eye, and it'll stay back there and reflect back off the shade nocturnal shade lens on the inside, and then they'll redirect it out. And that's what they're trying to do, is they'll focus and redirect that heat back out toward your camera or whatever, that light, and it'll mess with the shutters and everything else in your camera, keep it from focusing, all kind of stuff. And that's what whenever you see my camera going dark than light, that's what they're doing, is they're hitting it with that light. Check him out. So he's back there in the brush. Let's see if I can get some more movement out of him. So wow, look at that. Look at that larger. Look at the adult Sasquatch up above him there. Unbelievable. He is a monster, man. Look how big he is. Let's see if I can get his eyes to open back up. Just won't see his teeth. Okay, you see his shade lens on his eyes there? That's the adult. That's the parent right there. He is massive. He is absolutely enormous. And there's the other adult in front of him. So that's both of them right there. You can see his fang teeth right there. He's massive. The second Sasquatch is huge. Look at him, man. I hope I can get some more clear footage on him. He's back behind this one here. You can see this one pretty good. Let's see what kind of definition we can get out of him. I'm gonna keep moving this camera. See if I can get any more detail to come out. Look at that. Start to see his ears there a little bit. These are the other Sasquatch up by the other tree. That's the rest of the tribe. Look at this guy. So I'm just outside of that tree right there where they were standing. Let me see if I can get back over into it. It's this one here. Sorry about that. I'm pretty slow. Just looking at the other Sasquatch real quick. Just come on, bear with me here. Make sure. I guess I go back over that way in this footage. I'm looking here. That's all I got for now, folks. Stay tuned.